Alright guys, what's going on? Shaman Creator back with another video. And today we got a pull switch. We're gonna put a semi-truck pull horn, pull button style. No, instead of the old button I had in the Mazda truck for the train horns. This little 9/64 bit should be the perfect size. All right, now let's do some irreversible things to the Mazda truck. And you can see I just put the hole right. Can you aim it at the hole, please? Okay. Right there, because there's a... Peeled back, you can see that there's a little hole in the A-pillar there. That the switch is going to sit really nice in. Going to run the wires up from where we had the old switch on the... From there. Down below the dash, up through on the A-pillar underneath the trim that we threw over there. Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, next we just gotta cut the zip ties used to shorten the wires up. To get something to cut those with. Wait, I got box cutter. Okay, I'm gonna need some extra wire. So let's go find some extra wire. Alright, so we got the wire tucked up in the headliner with a little bit of slack, probably way more than we need for there. Now just gotta run it down under the dash. Guess we're doing it this way then. And okay, it's going again.
Maybe you can just film so much.
Maybe.
Is that like 7 minutes?
Okay, well, like probably a good amount of that's gonna get cut anyways. And crimp it down.
But all my hard work.
Okay, you gotta take it back out after test fitting it. Should slide in nice and tight like that. Gonna bend it around anyways for a secure connection. Twist it on down. Okay. Kelsey, you can do it. I believe in you. Strike the lighter and wave it underneath the wire.
I can't.
Use whichever hand you want.
I can't do it with my left hand.
Okay, even though you are left-handed.
I know, but I have a crippled thumb. I can't do it with either hand now. No, you do it. You do it. I'm done.
Kelsey!
I'm
Kelsey!
done.
You can do it! Do it!
You do it.
Do it!
You do it.
Kelsey!
You.
Kelsey, you can do it!
No.
Yes, you can. It's just...
You do it. You do it.
Come on.
I'm not doing it.
Well, you hold the wire then. And just like that, you see? You can tell when it's done. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn.
No.
Your turn.
No.
Do it.
No.
Kelsey.
No.
Kelsey, do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it, coward. Do it. Do it.
I want to.
Do it. Come on, you just have to hold. You don't even have. There, just hold down the button. Hold down the button. Hold down the red button.
I can't grab it. Good?
A little more on this end, close to me.
Oh.
That's good anyways. Doesn't have to be watertight, it's in the cab. See, it gets hot when you use it for a long time. And then we'll just tuck the wires away. You wanna film again? Okay. Okay, get this away from the pedals. And just shove all this wire underneath the kick panel. Put it up here tuck it into the fuse box, and just like that. Wires are all tucked. Put that screwdriver back in the center console. Just like that.